Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here with an unboxing of two of my HMT watches. So recently I bought two watches from the HMT website, and today only it got delivered. Okay, so I'm going to do the unboxing right in front of you, and this is the packaging that came with. Okay, so without doing any further delay, let's start the unboxing. And this is, as you can see, it says HMD Limited ABD. Okay, Jalali, this is the address and all. Okay, so now let's start the unboxing process. Here is my scissor. Just cut this two plastic things. Now okay, and here are the watches. Just keep this aside. Here are the watches. So I don't know which one is what. So one is a ladies watch for my wife, and another one is a gents watch for me. Okay, so this is the box. This is I guess this is the invoice. Okay, I'll show you the invoice at the end, and this is the user manual. Okay. All right, we'll see that later on. So these are the two watches. Okay, at first I will start with this one. This is, I think, the ladies watch. Okay, let me just start with the gents watch. So this is the gents watch, and by the way, today I am wearing this watch, which is the Casio WS1600H. This is also a very good watch. Very good watch. This is a very good looking watch. I'll come up with the video of this one as well very soon. Okay, so let me just do a 2x zoom to show you. See, this is also a very good looking watch. Anyways, let's start the unboxing of this one. Let's put this right here. Okay, packaging looks good. HMT logo here. Ta-da! So this is the watch. Let me just show it to you. There is nothing on the box because the invoice is already here. I'll just put the invoice here for now. Just put the cover. Okay, so this is the watch. I'll show you the watch. Alright guys, so this is the watch. It's the Tareeq, HMT Tareeq Quartz. Okay guys, now I will tell you about the dimension of this watch. So this watch dimension is the thickness, which is this part. This thickness, it's 10.4 millimeter thick. The bracelet size, this thickness is 18 millimeter. It takes 18 millimeter bracelet. Over here at the front, this part to this part. So let me just zoom it from this side to this side, this side to this side. This length, it's 41.2, and from 9 to 3, this part, it's 35.84 millimeter. Okay, and as you can see, the watch looks gorgeous. It looks really elegant. Okay, this is okay. Now let me tell you that this watch case is not made up of stainless steel. This is made up of brass. Okay, with this steel paint on it, this chrome paint on it. But this part, which is the bracelet, it's a stainless steel. So keep that in mind. And as the name suggests, Tareeq. So there is this calendar over here, this small little date. Okay, so the date, which is the Tareeq, means date in Hindi. So we can change the date. So if I put now if I compare the size, so this is my Casio WS1600H. So this is how it looks beside it. And that, by the way, today is 10th of May. However, the time date over here shows as 11th, so we'll need to fix that. Okay guys, now I will show you how to fix the time. So we'll just pull this lever completely. Once I pull the lever completely, you will hear a notch sound. Then we can rotate this lever on the crown. Okay. So it's right now the time is 4:23. So we'll set at 4:23. It's currently at 4:23. So we'll push it all the way, and that's it. Your watch starts again. Okay. And this is the crown. Okay. All right, and this watch also comes with 30 meter of water resistant, that is 3 bar water resistant. But I would never recommend you to take this watch in the swimming pool or on a heavy shower or rain, because this watch might not survive that. Okay. This is not environmentally not that strong as any other Casio or any diverse watch. Okay, so this is not meant for that. All right, and this watch also comes with 12 months of warranty. However, that's for that, in order to claim the warranty, you need to take it to the HMT showroom. Okay, I guess. If you have any other query regarding this watch, guys, you can always comment down below. Okay, and I'll be very happy to assist you. And about the price of the watch, this watch cost 2,100 rupees, but it's very hard to get because most of the time it's out of stock. But I was really lucky this time to get this watch. I was planning to buy this Tareeq or the Kohinoor watch at this color, so I'm really happy to get this Tareeq watch, because this also comes with the date, but the Kohinoor doesn't come with the date. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video till now. I'll post the link down below from where you can purchase it. Thank you so much, and I will also come up with another video after using it for a month or two, just to give you the review how the watch is performing. Okay, and how is it like using a HMT Quartz watch. Okay. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Do take care of yourself. This is Fat Biker on Indo signing out.